I am a direct teacher from the floor, in the moment. So you're touching it in real time and you're grasping it in real time.
Hi, I'm Shonda from Augusta, Georgia, and I have a wonderful experience here. There is no such thing as the YouTube because you will not get the real experience.
It's an experience that you'll never forget. And not only do you learn your skills, there's a community that you can embrace.
I would advise anybody who's looking to get into draping the correct way, not just throwing things up, but actually doing it the right way. Fundamentals at the baseline, this is where you need to be.
I've been following her since 2023 on YouTube, and I'm in the Posh Design Studio.
Posh Academy! All right, guys, we just wrapped another amazing premium draping workshop here at Posh Design Studio in Atlanta. I'm trying to tell you guys, I know Baroque is taking off, is on the scenes, and is heavy, but you ain't gonna get that far if you don't know premium techniques. This is what's gonna keep you in the game, okay? If you are looking for the next premium hands-on draping masterclass, all I need you guys to do is comment class below and I'm gonna send you the schedule. It's your girl, Precious Stevens of the Posh Academy, where everybody calls it Draping Queen, signing off. Bye!